Listen to this guy. They've been above my house for an hour. They've woken me up. Listen to this. See? They've been there for a whole hour now. Look at this. They're absolutely obsessed with this area. They've been up there for about an hour, and it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Look, 2 o'clock in the morning on a Friday night. Look. Listen to that noise. They've woken me up out of bed. Listen to this, guys. You see that? I came out and recorded it, and what did they do? They scarpered. They've been there for a whole hour, and when Dr. Audit gets out of his bed to record him, listen. They scarper. Caught on camera, look. They've been up there for a whole hour, guys. Woken me up in the middle of the night here. I didn't want to get out of bed. I waited for them to do the flyover.